Hello, good morning everybody. This is the Blue Lagoon. If you like to do the snorkeling in the Blue Lagoon, this is the place to do the snorkeling here. This is the best place in Karangasem. And if you see in the front here, this one here, this is the speedboat harbor from Padang Bay to Gili Island. Just on the left side from this harbor, you will see the beach. It's very beautiful beach here, but sorry, just a little bit dirty because yeah, we just finished the rainy season, so all the garbage coming from many rivers to come here. So this is the best area to do the snorkeling. So my name is Agung Suparsa. I'm a Balinese. I'm a tour operator in Bali. If you like to do the snorkeling in Bali like this one, do not hesitate to call me, to chat me, to message me, to book me to come here, and I will give you the best price. You chat me about the price, I will find you the best price here. Okay guys, if you do the snorkeling with us, you will get the fins. Okay, you will get the life jacket here, and the boat just in the front of us. So this is our captain here. If you book your snorkeling in the Blue Lagoon, what you get? First, you got the captain. You got the fins. Okay, and you got a guide here. So one boat, one guide. And they will choose the fins for you according to the size of your feet. And if you want the life jacket, if you are not good swimmer, you will get the life jacket. Okay guys, if you want to book your snorkeling, do not hesitate to call me. I will provide for you pick up from the hotel, and I will drop you here. I will wait you here, and I will drive you back to the hotel. And for the package price, you contact me. My WhatsApp number is on the screen.
shallow water, 2 meter until 4 meter.
Okay.
So many fish and coral.
Okay.
The snorkeling stay this side, don't going to this side because too much boat running in and out.
Boat going in.
Yes.
Okay guys, we are finished do the snorkeling today.
Battery? 24%.